Hello guys, you're welcome. In today's video, I will share with you a crypto trading site called Toark, where you learn profit every day simply by trading. Kindly watch to know how I'm going to earn profit from live trading by just using my phone. And if you're new here, kindly like and subscribe, and if you're an old member, thanks for the visit. So for the registration, enter your email to receive verification code, password, and make sure you have an invite code. When you're done, tick here to agree to the terms of service and select register now. After registration, enter the verification code sent to your email address. When you're done, tap on create account. The next step is to complete the robot verification. I have successfully logged in my account. Now on the home page, you'll see your total asset, the deposit and investment guide, and a short video introduction about the Toark website and other useful information when you scroll to the bottom of the page. Now, if you go to wallet, you will find your account balance as well as the deposit and withdrawal. For the deposit, you can recharge using USDT or instant pay. So guy, if you tap on the three lines here, a menu will open where you'll see the wallet, change password, as well as the help center and the privacy policy. So let me show you where you can trade and how you can earn. If you tap on this big T, it will open the live trade. So on the trading page here, you'll see the live trade as well as the Bitcoin price as the trading goes on. You'll also see the 1M Lite, which means trading for 1 minute, and 5M Pro, which means trading for 5 minutes. The timer also counts down to show when the trading will end. You have to deposit before you can start a trade. So now, I will go to wallet and do the deposit. I will choose deposit and enter the amount I want to deposit in USDT. So now, I will tap on pay now to proceed. You can use TRC20 or BEP20 as your payment method. I will choose TRC20 for my recharge and tap on pay now. As you can see, I have 59 minutes to make the deposit, so I will scroll down and tap on the USDT to copy it. So here, I will go to my wallet to do the deposit. I will choose USDT. The network is TRC20, so I will paste the USDT address and enter the amount I want to deposit. So I will go back to the site and refresh the page to see if my recharge has reflected. As you can see, the amount has reflected successfully, so I am going to show you how to invest and win. Before you invest, you have to join the Telegram signal group for the trading predictions. This is the Telegram prediction group where the trading signals are posted, so I will wait for the signal to drop and show you how to invest. The admin has posted the signal, so I will go to the website and tap here. As you can see from the signal here, it shows that we should choose 1M Lite and buy even. Note this, always check the last 3 digits of the time before you invest. So the last 3 digits here is 801. So I will wait for the last 3 digits to reach 801 and tap on invest. So here, I will enter the amount I want to invest and select even. Once I'm done, I will tap on invest. My trading is successful, so I will wait for my trading results. Now, I will wait for the timer to finish counting down. When I'm done, I will check my trading results. Before you trade, always check the trading time. The timer has finished counting, so I will scroll down and check the trading results. As you can see here, I made a total profit of $3.9 when I invested the 2. If you want to earn more, you can recharge more than $10 to trade. Now, I will show you my total balance. The profit has been added to my total balance. So I will check the Telegram trading signal group to see the next results. The next prediction has been posted, and I couldn't take part. Always make sure to follow the news in the group. The next prediction was posted, and it was a win. Always make sure to follow rules in the group to get updated. Now I'm going to show you another way you can earn from this platform. If you go to bonus, you'll be able to find your invite code and link to refer your friends to the platform. Now, if you invite friends to register and recharge, the platform will give you some reward as referral bonus. The reward you earn depends on the amount they recharge. The platform also give reward when you successfully invite some number of people to register and recharge. Now guys, in my next video, I will show you my withdrawal proof. You can use the link in the description to the official Telegram group of the website to get updated. You can receive bonuses and reward when you participate in the platform activities. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notification.